are many ways that you can involve and collaborate with people with lived experience. That might look like having expert advisors or involving people with lived experience as co-researchers and co-applicants, or even having an advisory group. Um, at Wellcome, I think we're really open to any methods and roles that teams might choose, but we do expect lived experience experts to be involved in meaningful and appropriate ways in multiple stages of the project. So from delivery to design to dissemination. It's really important that as you involve people with lived experience, you don't make it tokenistic or make it a tick box exercise, that people with lived experience are involved in ways that are appropriate for the research aims and the different stages of the study. I think the first thing is to make sure that lived experience is central and guides multiple aspects of the project. So, whether that's from designing the research or when you're collecting and analyzing data, or when you're sharing and disseminating your findings, making sure that that's guided by the insights you get from lived experience. But it's also really important for you to recognize people with lived experience as colleagues. They bring real expertise to the table, and so they deserve to have the same respect as you would give any other member of your project team. And in that same line, then you should pay your lived experience advisors and compensate them appropriately for the value and the experience they're bringing to the table. But as much as they're bringing a lot of expertise, lived experience advisors are still individual people with individual experiences. And so they cannot, on their own, fully represent the different intersections of community and context. And so it's really important for you to have diversity within your team, and especially within your lived experience advisors. Um, and I think also it's important for you to be flexible when you involve people with lived experience, to have conversations on how you want to collaborate with them, and with the rest of your colleagues, to discuss what some of your shared values are and what some of the ground rules will be.